Hello, and thank you for checking out another video where we're going to use the bar method to solve a level 2 functional skills maths question. And this question is about ratio, and this is where the bar method shines. Let's have a look. So Mina runs a football club. She needs to order size 3, size 4 and size 5 footballs in the ratio 6:2:1. Mina needs to order a total of 180 footballs. Complete the order form for Mina. So here we have an order form with this different sizes of footballs, and we're supposed to write in here how many of each size that Mina needs to order. There's 180 footballs in total. But we're to use this ratio 6:2:1. And as I'm suggesting, whenever you see a ratio question, consider using the bar method. And the question we need to ask ourselves here is, how many parts are in the whole? And looking at that ratio, it's 6:2:1. Altogether, that's going to be 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. It's going to be 9 parts. So I'm going to draw a bar that has 9 parts in it. First of all, drawing the 6 parts in there for the first part, and then there's going to be another 2 parts, and then finally 1 more part. And let's label these here. So 6 parts are the size 3 footballs, 2 parts are the size 4, and 1 part is the size 5, because the question tells us that they're in the ratio of 6:2:1, size 3, size 4, size 5. And now we've got our bar diagram drawn, we're going to ask ourselves the question, do we know the whole? And in this question, the answer is yes, we do know the whole. It is the 180 footballs, because it says there's a total of 180 footballs. That's the whole amount. So let's just label that. And then we're going to ask ourselves the question, can I find 1 part? So let's have a look at the bar diagram here. You can see the whole is 180 and there are 9 parts. So can I find 1 part? Yes, I'm going to do 180 divided by 9 because all of the parts are equal. We're going to use the bus stop method for this here. So we'll write out 180 divided by 9, and we'll ask ourselves, how many 9s are there in 1? Well, that's 0. And then we'll carry the 1 over. How many 9s are there in 18? And we can check our times tables here, do the recall. There are 2 9s in 18. Okay, so we'll make a note of that and move along to the right. How many 9s are there in 0? And that is 0. And here we've got our solution. How many 9s are there in what is 180 divided by 9? It's 20. So each part is worth 20. And now let's put that into the bar diagram. We've got 9 equal parts, 9 20s, that makes 180. And now we can see, we can work out how many of each type of size of football Mina needs to order. So let's look at size 3 here. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts for size 3. So that is 6 times 20. Do 2 times 6, or 6 2s is 12. And then put a 0 on the end, because we're not doing 6 times 2. We're doing 6 times 20. So that is 120, size 3. Let's have a look at size 4 now. There are 2 parts for that. So that's 2 20s, which is 40. And then finally, size 5, there's just 1 part there of 20. So Mina needs to order 20 size 5. And then all we have to do is fill in this information in the table: 120 size 3, 40 for size 4, and 20 for size 5. And just like that, we have solved this question and gotten ourselves 3 marks. So what do you think? We just took that question apart with the bar method, didn't we? I think this is something that you could find useful in doing level 2 functional skills maths. This is a part of a series of videos using the bar method with different questions. So check out some of the other videos, And if you want some help with tuition, just give me an email. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.